When the caveman in you craves hunks of meat wrapped neatly in a tortilla, you want steak fajitas. Stat. Flank steak provides a nice beefy taste, and when marinated overnight with my pineapple chipotle sauce, it makes for what could be one of your new favorite Mexican dishes. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to cook some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. On a platter or in a large zip-top bag, add a batch of my pineapple chipotle sauce. I'll put a link in the description. Coat it front and back and cover to marinate in the fridge for a minimum of 4 hours, but overnight for best results. The heat of the sauce dissipates considerably, and the pineapple helps to break down the protein in this tougher cut of meat. Usually cut against the grain if you haven't marinated. Cut it into half-inch strips. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Add 1 teaspoon of canola oil to a large skillet and add the steak strips. Allow the steak to get a bit of a sear on all sides. Add your favorite spices. We like cumin, chipotle pepper powder, some red salt, and of course fresh black pepper. Transfer it to an oven-safe dish and finish it in the oven, leaving the oil and spices in the skillet. Add the peppers and onions to the skillet and cook to your preferred level of doneness. Pull the steak out of the oven and allow to rest for 5 minutes, and then slice the steak again. Cutting it thicker to start has allowed it not to get overcooked as you get everything else ready. Give the veggies one last toss in the skillet, and it's time to plate up. A layer of veggies, layer of steak, add in some arugula, ready to eat. Steak fajitas is a delicious and filling meal. The flavorful beef combined with freshly grilled veggies and the peppery bite of arugula will please any Mexican food lover. I know I'm ready to dig in. If you want the full printable recipe and more, go to mrskringleskitchen.com. Consider subscribing to the channel and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live.